Hello friends, in information technology, our chapter is basics of information technology and our today's topic is concept of hardware and software. Let's see. What is hardware? Computer hardware is the physical components that computer system requires to function. Means what? If many components, we will specifically say the electronic components will comes together and will make a computer system, that is the hardware. What is hardware? We have already seen CPU. In that we have seen motherboard, hard disk, RAM, many things, wires in that, cables in that. These all components are hardware components, and these hardware component we can sense it or we can touch it physically. So those things in the computer, or those things in the computers or electronic things which we can touch physically or handle physically, which makes a computer system, can be known as hardware. This hardware responsible for the functioning of computer. In simple words, the parts which we can touch them and feel them. It encompasses everything with the circuit board operates within a personal computer or laptop. Circuit board means what? A motherboard, we may say, including motherboard, hard graphics card and CPU. These all things, see here they have given ventilation fans. We have already seen the fan in the CPU, webcam, power supply, anything that can be attached to computer and be a part of computer system, which can be known as hardware. On the other hand, what is software? Software is the thing which we cannot touch physically, but that's why it is called as software. Why it is called as software? Let's see. It is a set of instruction given to computer, is known as program. These are the set of instruction which can be telling computer what to do and how to do and how to perform the operations. These are the instructions which are in the machine language, or we may say the programming language. These programming languages makes a set of instructions, and this set of instruction is known as program. There are many programs which can be performing operation for the particular task. If the many programs comes together and performs a particular task for the user, then that kind of set of programs is known as software. So the software is nothing but the set of instructions, and the set of instructions is known as program, and many programs comes together, performs a specific task for the computer or specific task for the user, then that set of programs is called as software. This software helps to interact with the computer in order to perform the particular task. Software is a generic term used to describe the computer programs. Basically, we can say that the software is one kind of interface or one kind of bridge between user to computer. See, computer doesn't understand our regional languages, or computer doesn't understand English directly. We have to command the computer in his language. What is the language of computer then? The language of computer is machine language, and that machine language is in terms of zeros and ones. But we cannot learn zeros and ones language so immediately, or it will be near to impossible to learn that language, because this is the hardest part. But we can learn English, right? So we can write some instruction in English language, and those instructions can be converted into machine languages. So the software is what? The software is the interface between that we can instruct computer in our language or in English, we may say, and those English instructions software will convert it into the machine language, and machine will perform likewise. So that's the role of software. I hope you understand what is hardware and software. In today's lecture we will see what are the categories of software in the next lecture. Thank you so much.